Product type: car electronics. Package dimensions: 28.702 L by 40.64 W by 7.111 H centimeters. Package weight: 0.8 pounds. Country of origin: United States. This stereo installation kit has been engineered to help you install either a 2-tall, single DIN, or a 4-tall, double DIN, aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. This dash kit makes radio replacement simple and comes with a pocket that is installed below the 2 radio to fill the extra space in the radio opening, which can be used for storage. The pocket is not needed when installing a 4-tall radio. The dash kit is painted silver to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer, but requires this dash kit to make it fit. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Ordered this for my 2013 Chevy Cruz radio replacement appointment with Best Buy. It was delivered in perfect condition. I definitely recommend buying this on Amazon because it's a lot more expensive at Best Buy, plus it got here so fast.